Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Aries, we are picking these cards, guys, and I have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So, if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. Aries. So let's see what are the cards for your general reading first. General energies. So we have fortitude in reverse, the moon, and hangman. So in your situation today, guys, Aries, there are lots of changes happening today, guys. Maybe in your career, you are facing lot of troubles or stressful situations that needs all your talents and skills, and you are trying really hard, maybe to overcome all those troubles or whatever trials or sacrifices that you have made in your situation, guys. And you are maybe coming into terms with how things are going in your life today. Maybe all those difficulties or obstacles, whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart, and that may be the reason you are seeing a different way uh, to deal with your situation, guys. And you are, what to say, having that intuition guiding you. And maybe for some of you, you may have some kind of a weakness or addictions, and you are having that strength, determination to overcome all that, guys. And you are seeing a great change in your life today, a positive change for you all, guys. And your intuition is very sharp. It is telling you what needs to be done and what is the right thing to do today, guys. Aries, so when you are making some important decisions for yourself in your career, or it may be in your personal life, or whatever your situation is, you are, what to say, making the right choices, because maybe in the past you would have felt really worried, stressed, and lot of anger towards your circumstance or towards the people, and you would have felt really impatient to proceed in a particular way in your situation. Maybe uh, go your own way or do your own things just like you have wished for, without taking other people's concern or without thinking deeply for yourself, guys. So that would have caused lot of stress or troubles in your situation, Aries. But today you are understanding what needs to be done. You have come in terms with your situation, having that acceptance, and you have grown a lot today, guys. Aries, you have grown emotionally, and you have grown spiritually because of this love, or because of how things are in your life today, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first, guys. So we have Ace of Sons in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, maybe for some of you, if you are in a new connection or if you are in a new love, maybe you are still working on that understanding, and you have to take it slow, guys, because you may not share that great understanding with this person, and things may take a wrong turn if you are too impatient, or too if you are pushing this person towards engagement or marriage too soon. So you need to wait, take it slow, guys, Aries. That is what I see with this card. And the card for your career situation, guys, it is initiate of moons. So, with this card in your career situation, guys, Aries, you are maybe seeing some offers or opportunities involving some kind of a collaboration or partnership, guys, and things are going in a positive way in your career situation, Aries. So that is the reading with these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing or that person is changing and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry or yes or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak or the messages they send or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this uh, means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So, this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love, that is the basis of this decision. You can go forward towards marriage or engagement or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.